Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN app, Dark Tunnel VPN. So this is the app. So I'm gonna show you on how to set it up, and when you set up this app, it will help you to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So I'm gonna show you on how to set it up. First of all, this app is on Google Play Store. In case you don't have Dark Tunnel VPN, head over to your Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for Dark Tunnel in the search bar. So among the presented, you opt for this one, which supports SSH and V2Ray. So you pick that one. This app will help you to add an extra layer of security. This app will enhance your connection in case you set it up accurately. So in today's guide, I'm gonna show you from installing this app to setting it up, and you learn from the start to the end. So make sure to watch this video from the start to the finish so that you get knowledge on how to set it up. And after watching this video, you'll be able to secure your connection, add the extra layer of security with Dark Tunnel VPN in your location. So head over to Google Play Store and search for the app, install the app on your device, and after installing this app, you can open it. And when you open it, you can see that it requires some particular settings, configuration settings for it to work. So when you reach in the app, first of all, you can choose a connection method which you prefer to set. So first of all, you tap on the three lines right here, and from here you can choose which one you'll be able to set up. So let me show you on how to set up one of the available connection methods. When you tap on tunnel type, you can see a lot of connection methods. So for today's guide, I'm gonna show you the V2Ray settings. So before we dive in, go back on your home screen, and you take this time to like this video, share this video, and also you subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you do that, you are helping this channel to grow and reach a wider audience of people who will need the same knowledge. So let me show you on how to create a configuration, a V2Ray configuration for its app to work. So first of all, you are required to open any of your search engine. So when you open any of the search engine, you can open Chrome. So you search for first SSH V2Ray, and among the presented, you go with this first site, which is first SSH website. So this website will help you to set up it will help you to create a V2Ray server which can be used to set up a Dark Tunnel VPN in order to achieve a fast and a stable connection. So when you reach here, you verify I'm not a robot. So after successful verification, this website will take you to the server home page. From here, you'll be required to pick from any of the presented servers. You pick one, and in case you need to browse along the other servers, you can see the pages right here. So you pick any of the presented pages, or you can just go with the presented servers right here. So you pick any server from your desired location. For example, we have Los Angeles, America, Netherlands, and in case you need to explore more countries, you can see the number of pages down below. So for today's guide, let's pick this one, the Netherlands. So you tap on create V2Ray account, and when you tap on create V2Ray account, this page will load, and when it loads, you'll be required to enter. First of all, you'll be required to enter a username, and also you'll be required to enter SNI bug host. So after that, you'll be required again to verify you are not a robot. So first of all, let's begin with entering a username. So you enter any username you prefer, which you will remember, and for the sake of the SNI, you are required to enter here a valid SNI. So in case you have one, you can simply paste it here in this provided field, but if you don't have it, I will show you on how to get one. So in case you have it, just you put it here, then you proceed. So you can skip this part in case you have a working SNI. So this next phase I'm gonna show you is how to get a SNI of your country. So you open Play Store, and as we proceed, guys, please subscribe on this channel. Subscribe on this channel, you are helping it to grow, and like this video. When you like this video, you are helping this video to reach a wider audience of people who require the same knowledge. So you open Google Play Store, and then you search for this app. It will help you to generate SNI for your country. So you search for this app for CovNet SNI generator. This app will help you generate the SNIs for your country. So among the presented, you open this, and then you click open, and from here you click on SNI generator, and the app will present you to this page where you'll be required to pick your country by tapping on the select country. So make sure to pick your country name. Please note that in case you pick a wrong country, the SNI presented in that country, it will probably not work in your country. So make sure to pick your country, and then you can proceed. So for today's guide, let me pick any of the presented. So you pick your country, and after picking your country, you click on generate, and when you click generate, this app will generate SNI for the chosen country. So after you landing on the SNI of your country, you can copy it, and if this SNI is not working for you, simply tap on this next button. The more you tap on the next button, the SNI keeps changing. So make sure to pick any which will be working for you. And in case you pick SNI and it doesn't work, you come back and then you pick another one by tapping on next. So let's pick any of the presented, and then we click on copy, and when you click copy, the SNI will be copied. And after that, go back, and the other setting is, the other step we are gonna do is to verify if our chosen SNI it is online. So you must follow all these steps so that you can achieve a stable and a fast connection. So open Chrome or any other browser, and then you visit this site. It will help you to check either the SNI is online or it is not. The website is known as Host Checker. So you pick among the presented, you pick this website, and this website, when you reach here, paste here your copied SNI and click on SSL check and wait for it to present, and it will say that SSL certificate is valid. If it says that, it means that the SNI is currently online. But in case you see a different result, like could not retrieve SNI certificate or invalid parameters, it will mean that the SNI is currently down, it's not working. So make sure that your SNI presents accurate results, like like SSL certificate is valid. So when you see that, it means that the SNI is currently online. And after you verifying that it is online, you go back where we were on first SSH, and from the box of SNI from this box of SNI, you paste here the working SNI which you have just recently generated, and also you trace this reserve SNI option. This will help you to accurately arrange the settings of the V2ray, so make sure to take it. And the other setting is you must verify I'm not a robot, and you give it some seconds, it will be verified. And after that, you are required to click on create account, and you give this website probably a few seconds for it to generate the V2ray account details. And please, in case you are still watching up to this minute and you have not yet subscribed on the channel, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And probably after a few seconds, the website will present to you the created account details, and copy button will appear. Simply tap on this copy button. So this V2ray account will be using it to set up the Dark Tunnel VPN in order to achieve a super stable and a fast connection, enhanced connection when you are online. So after creating your account, a V2ray account configuration, head back to the Dark Tunnel VPN. If you have not yet installed it, you install it first, and then you open it. And when you open this app, you tap on these three lines in the upper right corner, and then from here you click on config, and then from here you tap on import, and then click clipboard, and your V2ray configuration will be presented to you. Then you click on OK, and it will be pasted within the app, and the app will do the rest for you. And after pasting the V2ray configuration within the Dark Tunnel VPN app, you are required to adjust some settings. Update the server name indication with the host header field. So you copy this one just like this, and then you update it just like this, as you can see right here. And for the sake of the target server, in case you can't see here the SNI you just created, so for this field right here, you can update it with the SNI. And after that, you are required to click on the connect button. And after setting up this app like this, the app is now accurately set, and right now you are left to click on this connect button. And when you tap on the connect button, the app will be connected. And that's how we set up Dark Tunnel with a V2ray configuration to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And if the connection keeps failing or the app fails to connect, double check your settings and also check if the SNI is still working. And also you can change the SNI and you try another SNI in your country. And also the V2ray server may be down, so you can go and create a new V2ray server, and then you try to import a new SNI, and then you try to connect. And in case you follow those steps and those troubleshooting ideas, you'll be able to set up the Dark Tunnel app and get a super fast and stable connection. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on the channel for more content.